Hey everybody, welcome back to Make It with Mod Podge. My name is Cathie and today Steve is doing some really cool decoupage soaps.
Thank you so much, Cathie, for that. And I'm Steve Piacenza, and like Cathie said, we are making soaps today. Not just any soaps, we are using napkins and Mod Podge to create decorative soaps. So let's take a look at these right over here. Here we have 3 different kinds. We got some lemons going, we got botanicals, and we got leaves. Now these soaps are really easy, really cool to make. This is an old craft, so they're trending right now again. So we said, hey, let's make a video about it and show people that don't know about this craft, because they're decorative soaps and you can also use these soaps. Now you can use napkins, you can use tissue paper, you can use scrapbook paper to make these soaps. Now just a note, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to make soap, because we made our own soaps, but you can use any soaps that you might have. A flat surface is best. Of course, you can do it on the rounded soaps also, but the flat soaps work the best. So let's get right into it. Very simple, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is get your soap. We have a nice bar of soap right here that we made. And you can see over here, we have a selection of napkins. So you get to choose any kind of napkin you want. Now this is also great during the holidays, because you can do holiday napkins or scrapbook paper. These are great for birthdays, these are great for gifts, all sorts of festive holidays that you can make these soaps for. Now with the napkins, of course, there's either a 2-ply or a 3-ply. You just want to separate that, and of course you want the decorative side is what you're going to be using. So you just tear that apart like that, and you're going to be using this portion of the napkin. Once you do that, you're going to cut yourself a square piece that is a little bit larger than the soap itself. So you want this kind of hangover like that. And we are using matte Mod Podge. You can use your gloss or your satin for this project, and you're just going to add your Mod Podge right on top of the soap. Now you might be wondering, why are you putting Mod Podge on top of the soap, and isn't that dangerous? And the answer is no, because Mod Podge is water-based, made in America, so it's completely safe to use for this project. So you just want to add a nice little layer right on top, and then you're going to drop your cut napkin piece right on top of that. And you're going to gently just smooth that out and press that down. And you're gonna wanna set that aside for a couple minutes. It's as simple as that. So let me set this one aside, and I have one here that's been already sitting for about 2 minutes. And the next step you're gonna do is you're just gonna cut this. So I like to hold it right here by the edge of the soap, and you're gonna slowly cut this as close to the soap as you can. So we're just gonna work our way around. Don't rush this part, because you wanna get as close and as clean as possible to give that soap a really nice decorative edge. And here we go. I'm just going to clean up some of those edges. You can see a little spillage. So take your time with this and get those edges nice and clean and nice and tight against that soap. There we go. That looks pretty good. So the next step you want to do is you want to top coat your soap. And I'm going to do 3 layers of top coating with an hour dry time in between. So let's do that. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to explain to you that this soap, you can actually, it's great for decorative reasons, of course, but you can actually use the soap. And the soap will go all the way down to a very, very thin little piece after you finished using it, just with either your tissue paper, your napkin, or your scrapbook paper still intact. So there we have it, guys. There is a trendy Mod Podge napkin and soap, decorative soap project. Again, this is an old project. It's been around forever. We just wanted to show it to you. So why don't you give this a try? And now let me show you how we make our soap. To make our soap, we cut a shea butter soap base into chunks. We melted the chunks in the microwave. It takes less than 1 minute. Next, we filled a soap mold and let the soap harden for 40 minutes. So there you have it. You can see how simple it is to make soap, but if you don't want to make it, just go to the store and get some soap. Just make sure that the soap is as flat as possible. Thank you for joining today, and don't forget to hashtag Plaid Crafts, hashtag Mod Podge. If you're gonna make some soap, send the pictures our way. We'd love to see them, and we'll see you next time on Make It with Mod Podge.